Its dimensions are one of a kind. 37.5 meters long, 12 meters wide, and 14.4 meters high. The biggest transformer in the world. With it, Siemens enters new territory in surpassing the 1100 kilovolt limit. To achieve this feat, the engineers had to develop a valve lead system as well as the overall transformer design itself. The result is a giant step forward at a 55% increase of rated power of the single-phase transformer. These transformers feed into a transmission system at a voltage level of 1100 kilovolts direct current, transmitting electrical power of 12 gigawatts. To manufacture this giant, Siemens invested double million figures in its factories and testing facilities. Besides the technical challenges of breaching the 1100 kV hurdle, the engineers were presented with another trial: how to get a machine as big as a detached house to the inland port of Nuremberg. They had to adapt. Departure day. The Siemens 1100 kV begins its journey over more than 23,000 kilometers to its final destination, Guchuan in China. The first step is reaching Nuremberg Harbor. As early as the design stage, the Siemens experts included the limitations of the transport route into their plans. And these 7.4 kilometers will be the trickiest part of the whole journey. Finding the middle ground between maximizing the transformer and still fitting through the tightest passages. A masterful demonstration of engineering excellence. This task was never an easy one. Unforeseen challenges during this transport took their time till the transformer reaches the harbor 8 hours after departure. From here, the 1100 kV travels first to Antwerp. After being loaded onto a cargo ship, it continues its voyage to the next harbor, the distant Shanghai, over 22,000 kilometers away. "51 days later, the Rickmersdalion ships into the port of Shanghai. On board, the Siemens 1100 kV. The next step of the journey is near. The transformer is lifted onto the barge, which will transport it to its final destination. The project is aiming at cities like Shanghai, energy for the growing population, and therefore rising energy demand in the coastal regions of China. Finally, the 1100 kV arrives, Guchuan substation in Anhui province. The transformer's position is at the receiving end of a record-setting HVDC connection, over 3,284 kilometers from the northwest of China to this station. One of the key factors for the success of projects like this, the Siemens network of factories. Throughout its production sites around the world, Siemens workers are highly skilled for building these transformers by hand. This high level of quality is made possible through technology transfer between Siemens headquarters in Nuremberg and all its factories and partners. When the project is completed, a total of 7 1100 kV transformers will supply the neighboring provinces with energy. Surely a milestone for Siemens. Thanks to the transformer factory in Nuremberg,